Welcome, tech enthusiasts, social butterflies, and everyone navigating the digital sphere. If you appreciate enriching content that helps you tackle tech hurdles, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Now let's unravel the mystery of how to recover a hacked Instagram account. Step 1. Stay calm and collected. It's easy to panic when you realize your account has been compromised, but remember, panic won't help you resolve the situation. Step 2. Try logging in. It might seem futile, but it's worth a shot. If you can get in, change your password immediately. Choose a strong, unique password that's a blend of numbers, letters, and symbols. Step 3. If you can't log in, tap on Forgot Password. Instagram will guide you through the process of resetting your password via your email address or phone number associated with the account. Step 4. If you can't access your account through the previous steps, report it to Instagram. Open the app, go to the login page and tap on Need More Help? Follow the instructions and fill out the form provided. Step 5. Be patient. Instagram will review your issue and may require additional information to verify your identity. This can take a few days, so patience is key. Step 6. Once you regain access, secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication and review your account activity to remove any suspicious activity. In summary, the steps to recover a hacked Instagram account include 1. Keeping calm and collected. 1. Attempting to log in and changing your password if successful. 1. Using the Forgot Password option if you can't log in. 1. Reporting the issue to Instagram if the previous steps don't work. 1. Being patient while Instagram reviews your issue. 1. Securing your account once you regain access. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Make sure you regularly change your password and always enable two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. If you find yourself needing professional assistance, check the video description or pinned comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep exploring the digital world with confidence.